Hi there. In this video, we will look into how to set up a booking page for a fitness or yoga studio using Simply Book Me. Let's start by navigating to Themes and Colors from the Welcome page so we can adjust the look and feel of your booking page. We will be using the Air theme in this example. However, you can choose any theme you like. Let's click on the banner image icon to upload our banner. Click Select Photo, then locate the image you want to use, double-click it and press OK. Since we will be setting up classes, we will need to enable the Classes feature on the Custom Features page first. Once it's enabled, you can click Manage to proceed to the classes setup. In this example, we already have a bunch of created items. However, we will walk you through setting up a class so you can get familiar with the process. Let's click the plus icon and add a class name. Let's also add a short description so our clients can have a better understanding of what the class is about. Just like we did with the banner, let's add an image. We can enable accept payments to add a price. If you want to use a payment processor to charge your clients during booking, you can use the link below to set one up. Next, we can click on Time Details to set the class duration. The schedule can be configured in the tab below. Let's open the next tab. We can activate the Categories feature to add separate categories for fitness classes and yoga classes, for example. We have created some categories previously. However, you can click on the plus icon to create them from scratch. You can check the boxes for the categories this class should be listed under. We also have two locations where the class will be taking place. Let's enable memberships so only clients with an associated membership will be able to book this service. You will be able to offer memberships for purchase or issue them manually to your clients. Please save changes and navigate to Manage Services to hide any services that were created automatically during the initial setup, since we will only be using classes in this scenario. Lastly, if you want to set everything up exactly as on our example page, please consider uploading images in the settings of the Photo Gallery custom feature. You can also watch a dedicated tutorial if you would like to set up coupons and gift cards. If you found this video helpful, you can check out other tutorials and tips on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.